As you see guys, that weekly candle here, it finished and Bitcoin, it's breaking for us that 20 moving average again here. That look very bad guys, that weekly close here, it's look very bad. After we thinking of that weekly candle close here, the previous one close above the 20 moving average, we thinking is it good, but that one will close today. It's indicating there is more dump. The low here is at 103.11 or 111. So as you see it guys, we're going to fall down to touch that 50 moving average in the weekly. So that the short answer guys. If you want to understand more, make sure to watch that video till the end without skipping any part of it. By the way guys, before continuing it, I want that video to reach to 100 likes guys. Those days I see you don't support in us. So please my friend, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. And if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon of course. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You see the one here, become a member, you need to click at it like that. It's going to open for you 3 tiers here. The first one is at the position. That one is it only for long term, just spot guys, no leverage, no nothing. If you are interested to join us and you are interested to invest without leverage, welcome to that one. If you want all our cryptocurrency services, day trading, swing trading, you can join the VIP member here. And if you want everything else we offer, we got the elite member. So you read the description of each and every one. When you decide which one to join, click a join button. Finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the weekly candle here, it closed below the 20 moving average. Also, we'll be looking at it a lot here. Used to react like a very stronger resistance from down here or support. We break it today here. As you see it guys, that one here, it's look very bad. That the only things I can tell you, I told you we got the 50 moving average, which is exactly at 103, 110. That the next support also we got here in Bitcoin in the weekly guys. The only things also we staying here in an uptrend as you see it here. If you're looking here at the 20 and the 50 moving average, also we staying here in an uptrend. Even if you came and you draw in here an uptrend like that, as you see it now, also we are in it again. So what is it, the outlook guys? The outlook, the Bitcoin, it started slowing here. Even if we look in here at the MACD like that, you see it guys, look at the MACD here. It telling us also we staying here in a downtrend here. That means that market still falling down. Even if you're looking here at the histogram, the only thing, our indicator, the top one or the RSI, that one here, it's still respecting here that zone or the 50 zone there. So what is it, the view now? The view is very important guys to look with me here. Let me zoom it a little bit like that and focus it with me here what's going to happen, because if that happen, we're going to see a very low zone guys. That one here, that double top here in the weekly, that one here, focus it about it. If we break it here, that means if we break in exactly 108k, we're going to see that Bitcoin dumping to where exactly. It's going to be very bad guys, but let's see what's going to happen in the coming days. Not the other things I can tell you, because you can even make it like that, like a bullish flag like that. If we break in here, we're going to pump more higher. So also we are ready for all scenarios. And I don't think so we are going to break and to fall down more than that 50 moving average, because that one, every time we used to touch it, we bounce. Look at it here. Let's see when we're going to touch it, what's going to happen that market, because if we break that 50 moving average, which is exactly at 103, 107, we're going to dump more than that guys. As you see, look where is the 100 moving average, 82k, and the 200 moving average is it at 55k. So those was the levels or zones. You need to look close at them here in Bitcoin in weekly guys. I think I explained everything here. Till now it's still very early for us to say 82k or 55k. We still have here that 103, 110 is a very stronger zone, and if you see it here based on history, every time we touch it we used to bounce. Only thing now also we are in the top of the cycle, so we need to be careful a little bit. I show you the MACD telling us we are dumping. I show you here we breaking the 20 moving average, and even here that RSI here as it's stuck here in that zone. Last time we touch it here, we bounce, we touch it here, we bounce, we touch it here, we bounce. Same thing now, we are in the same zone, guys. The only thing I think we are going to touch here that 50 moving average. So you need to look very, very close at that 50 moving average that week, guys, what the market going to do. I think I explained everything here. Now, let me show you the trades me are open for today. So let's go in there to see it. Trades me are open for today, guys. As you see it, we enter here along as day trading here in the Sol. As you see it here, it's hitting for us the first take profit. We enter along in the ADA or Cardano here, same thing, it's hitting for us the first take profit. We enter along in the Doge. As you see it here, even that one, it's hitting for us the first take profit. That's what else we're doing, guys, every time. And we enter another one because now the Bitcoin, we're making a room for it alone. As you see it here, we enter a short as day trading here in Bitcoin. So that's what else we're doing. That one, it hasn't hitting for us the first take profit. I will be honest with you guys. Yes, I don't need to show it to you, but it's okay. So that the trades me I got open. If you want avenue to join us and to benefiting from daily trades, guys, and daily signals, the link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video. Now let's go into see coming news for all the week, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news for all the week. As you see it here, that all the week of news here. Monday, is it a holiday in Japan? That means after the weekly candle close, it will be no volatility till European market open. Then we got SP Global Manufacturing PMI, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and ISM Manufacturing Price. Those ones, they affect a lot the US dollar, guys. Those ones, they are very, very, very important to look at them. What we got in Tuesday? Tuesday, we got interest rate decision of the Aussie and the jolt of USA. Wednesday, what we got, that the news we got in Wednesday, we got EDP non-farm employment change, ISM non-manufacturing PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing PMI, and ISM non-manufacturing price. Those ones, they affect a lot the US dollar, I tell it to you, plus SP Global Service PMI, and the last one, crude oil inventory. Then in Thursday, we got Bank of England interest rate decision, but the most important news is that ISM here and the one above here. So this was the news which is coming that week, guys. ISM, why me I told you is very important because ISM, it affects a lot the US dollar, and the US dollar also we trade it against the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here in daily, same thing. We cross above the 200 moving average. Me, I told you we are going back to test here that 100 moving average above here. So as we still waiting if it's going to happen, guys. As man, we are going back there. That number one scenario, second scenario, we're going to break today. And that one here just arrested like that. Then we're going to dump. Even that one is possible. But my view personally, we are going back to that zone here. It might to dump a little bit, but the market, it's still going above, guys. And I'm going to prove that to you today. But the only things, let me show you. We got here that the up channel, guys. Also, we showed it to you before, if you remember it. We told you guys we got here an up channel like that. We touched the low of it here and we are going back to touch the top of it. Let's see what's going to happen. And that the double top I told you in the weekly, guys. That one here, you need to focus about it. If we break it here, guys, we're going to see cryptocurrency dumping very hard. Yes, now we don't got a lot of liquidity down. Majority of the liquidity is it above. So let's see what's going to happen that week. If you want exactly when also we enter, we'll put stop loss, take profit and all those things, you can join our VIP Discord. The link of it is it down. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin here in 12 hours. It touched for us that zone here, the one here. Also, we're talking about it before. Did that the top? No, me personally, I think in the top here 112 till 113. I'll show you why before. I told you guys we got here the downtrend here and we are going to come back to test it here like that. That way I told you that 112k. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. We got the market try to give us here like a big head and shoulder here. Let's see if that one going to apply, but also we are not going to wait until that one. Also we got here an uptrend here. You see it, guys, from the tails of those candles. When we reach into 4 hours, I'm going to show it to you. That one, if it's getting broke, we're going to see that market dumping very hard, guys. So the levels, you need to look close at them. We got here that 112, 286. We got that one above 117, 635. We got that one here 107, 234, and that one down here 102, 603. So those was the 4 levels. We need to look close at them. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are guys in Bitcoin here in 4 hours. Also we drawing here the downtrend here. We enter along from here a swing trading and we put up loose down here. That's swing trading guys. And the take profit of us we put it here because also we still believe in the market is just here sideways like that and it's going to come back above to test that zone here. When it's going to test it here, then from here it's going to down. That's my view, but that's my view personally guys. That the only things we got here? No, we got even here that one like that. We show it to you. We told you guys we got here that symmetric triangle like that. We touched the lower of it here and we told you we are going back to touch the top of it here, and from here we're going to fall down again. That's what the market doing exactly guys. So where we are going, we're going to touch the top of that symmetric triangle. Then from there we're going to see what's going to happen. That the head and shoulder all the people they talking about guys, but me personally I don't see it as a head and shoulder because the head and shoulder it's need to work like that. It's been a downtrend and down here the market to give you here like a head and shoulder like that, indicating that the bottom of the wave, but also now we are in a downtrend guys. You can calculate in that one as a head and shoulder. That's why me I don't calculate it as a head and shoulder. Me I calculate it like that, like a symmetric triangle like that. So me I'm still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days guys. And that's why also we're telling you to join us. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator guys, same thing. Look at the MACD here. It's still telling us the market going to go more higher. Yes, there is no volatility. Let's see the coming hours. The most important, that one here, our indicator, it's staying here in a zone where it's only bears the control at this time when also recording and couldn't break that zone here of the middle. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, if we are going to break it or not. So we still waiting till the right time, till that indicator of us touch here extreme overbought area at the right time for us to short it. This time is going to pump more higher till well touch here. But there is another scenario guys, maybe that one to fall down again to touch extreme oversold area. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum guys. The Ethereum same thing. We show you we got here that triangle like that guys. We told you guys we got here a triangle. That one here is a very clear triangle. Me personally I'm thinking we are going back to touch here the top of that triangle here. And from here we're going to see if we are going to break or from here going to dump again to do like that. Maybe even that one is possible guys. So we are ready for all scenarios. That number one scenario. Second scenario maybe that one from here going to fall down and to break it. Even that one it's possible. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us if that market going to dump or no guys. So also we are ready for everything based on our indicators what they saying today. Let me show you our indicators guys. As you see it, look at the MACD here, it's still going above, but this time there is nothing here. So also we still waiting. The most important that one here, he couldn't break that wall here, and also we are ready for everything guys. If it's going to pump more, we're going to catch it. If it's going to dump, we're going to catch it, and that's why also we're telling you to join us. But it's up to you, my friend. Maybe you find 25 bucks expensive or something. It's up to you. Believe me, my friend, the 25 bucks you're going to pay within one signal, you're going to buck it. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today. Here we are guys in the Sol, same thing like all of them. It's got here the triangle like that as you see it here. That one here is a triangle, it's got here and here. So all of them, they got that triangle here. And also we are stuck between it. So let's see where is the next break going to happen. If we're breaking above here, it's the market going to pump again. If it's not, and the market fall down and breaking that low here, because that low here, you need to look at it guys. That the first time, that the second time, that the third time, and that the fourth time, that zone is getting very, very weak. Let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us about that zone. If we are going to break that zone we're holding, then we're going to see a huge dump guys. Now let's see our indicators what they're saying today. Our indicator guys, as you see, there is no volatility here. That one, that why is it the bad side of it? The most important indicator is it that one here, it's telling us also we are only in a zone where it's only bears the controlling. That's when technically also we staying here in a downtrend. There is nothing changed guys. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. Now let's go into see the XRP Ripple. Here we are guys in the XRP Ripple, same thing. That one here I tell it to you is going to dump. I show you that one here. I told you guys, look at it here. We got here a bullish flag here or a bearish flag here, and it's getting broke. That one is going to dump very hard guys. If you bring that one here and you do it like that, One is going to dump very hard here, that XRP maybe 1.97 or something more lower, as you see everything in front of you here, because even that triangle the others they have, it doesn't got it here. What you can do else here in the XRP, you can do something like that, guys. You see here, even here is got that smaller triangle here, so you need to focus about it here. When it's going to be touched there, what's going to happen? Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Same thing, guys. The XRP here, based on the MACD, we still have here a histogram which is green. That's mean good news here, but without volume. Let's see if the volume going to enter when the European market open, because Asian market is closed today. Japan has got a holiday. Our indicator here, he couldn't break that wall here. So let's see the coming hours. Now let's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. By the way, guys, yes, you watching me now. I know you started that video from the start till here, but you haven't smashed that like button. Why, my friend? Go now, please, smash that like button and write with it a comment. Tell me your thought about Bitcoin. What are you thinking? You done it? Thank you very much, guys. Remember that without your support, because when also we see the support it's low, also we don't put in videos every day. So please, if you want us to continue putting videos every day, we want your support, guys. We want that video at least to reach to 100 like. So go now and do it. You done it? Thank you very much. Here in Bitcoin, guys, there is many things here. Also, we've been following here that uptrend here, that one here is getting broke. We entered that short here. The market came back. It tested here. So it's indicating there is more dump. The only thing now, also we are stuck here. Look at it, guys. That zone here, it's still holding. And here in the top, that one here, you see it? So also we are in a sideways zone here, as I show it to you. If you like to scalp, when it touch one here, enter a long put stop loss here, take profit here. If you like it to scalp it like that, that number one scenario. Second scenario, guys, you came to that one here, you see it, how I connected that one here with that one here. We got a downtrend here and waited to be broke for you to catch a long. So that the only things I can tell you here. Another thing, you connected that one here with that one here, you see it, guys? And now we couldn't break that uptrend here. Focus about that one here, that one here. If it's getting broke, try to catch another long, guys, like that. But the only things I can tell you, based on our indicators, what they're saying today, let me show you. That one here, it's enter to the zone where the bears they're controlling. That's mean technically us now, we are in a bear market here. So let's see if it's going to fall down to test for us extreme oversold area again here. Then from here to push again. The bulls, they don't got power, guys, to push it more higher. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours. I think I explained everything here. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.